Hello Karthik, I noticed that you have diligently updating our ads with the current month and year. Isn't that a bit time consuming?
Sir, you are absolutely right. But it's a bit of hassle, and I have been thinking there must be a better way to keep our ads up to date without all the manual editing.
Have you heard that the ad customizers on Google Ads, they can automatically insert the dynamic content like the current month and year into our ads?
Sorry, sir, ad customizers. Can you please explain it in detail in our today's podcast? It will be helpful for me and all the PPC expert and our YouTube friends also.
So absolutely Karthik, the ad customizers are the little magic tools in the Google Ads that makes our lives whole lot easier. Let's dive into the nitty gritty of how to set them up. Alright Karthik, first things first, we need to create what's called a data feed. Open a spreadsheet program like the Google Sheets or the Microsoft Excel. Create a column titled month year and enter the values like April 2024 or May 2024 and so on for each month and year combination. Save the spreadsheet once you have filled in the relevant months and the years.
Got it, sir. So just a simple spreadsheet with a column for the month and year's value.
Exactly. So now once we have got that set up, log into your Google AdWords account, navigate to tools and settings and then select the business data. Click on the blue button to create a new data feed. Choose the ad customizer data as the feed type and give a name like month or year. So upload the spreadsheet you created in step 1 containing the month and the year values.
Basically, we have to upload it to the business data in Google Ads.
So now here is the fun part. We can use the ad customizers in our ad copies to automatically pull in the current month and year from our data feed. Open the specific ads or create a new ad where you want to create your customized ad. In the headline or the description field, insert a customizer tag using the curly brackets and the name of the attribute from your data feed. So for example, see how it happens if we want to use the exclusive offers for May 2024 in our ad. In the ad copy or the headline, just write the exclusive offers for the month and year in the curly bracket. Save your ad and Google Ads will automatically update it with the current month and year whenever it's displayed.
Sounds amazing, sir. So whenever our ad is shown, it will dynamically display the current month and year without us having to lift a finger.
Precisely. It's like having a little assistant that keeps our ads fresh and up to date all the times. Plus, it gives us the flexibility to focus on the other aspects of our campaigns without worrying about the outdated ad copies.
Wow, sir, I can already imagine how much time and effort this will save us, and I bet our viewers on YouTube will find this incredibly helpful.
So absolutely Karthik, it's all about working smarter, so not harder, and with the ad customizers we are definitely on the right track. Well Karthik, I think we have covered everything for our viewers need to know about the ad customizers. Thanks for joining me today, and to all our viewers out there, stay tuned for more tips and tricks to level up your digital marketing game.
Thank you, sir. So that's it for today. Please give us your feedback on our new podcast series, Master PPC with Podcast. Until next time, goodbye. Keep watching our videos. Thank you.